The Lebanon Top, a poem written by Ted Hughes. Lebanon is a short tree with hanging branches, yellow flowers, and poisonous seeds. Whereas the goldfinch is a small singing bird with yellow feathers on its wings. This Lebanon Top poem revolves around goldfinch and the Lebanon tree. Now, it's a beautiful description of a laburnum tree when a bird enters it, and how this laburnum tree, which was very much silent before this bird comes on its branches, and how it becomes suddenly it acts like a machine where all the chirping sounds are there, where every chirping sound, jerky movements occur on the tree, and once this goldfinch bird goes, again the laburnum tree becomes silent and peaceful. So now we see, and the description, the time when this poem, the description of the Lebanon top, the tree is given. It is September and it is autumn season. This you have to remember. Now the Lebanon top is silent, quite still. In the afternoon, yellow September sunlight, a few leaves yellowing, all its seeds fallen. The poet says that during the afternoon of September, right, during the afternoon of a September, it is autumn season, so it is all yellow. Afternoon, the sunlight is there. The laburnum tree, the top especially of the laburnum tree, is very, very silent, very still, motionless. There is no movement, there is no sound. It remains very, very silent during the afternoon of autumn season's September. A few leaves yellowing. A few of its leaves are turning yellow, but all its seeds have fallen. But all the seeds of this Lebanon top, which are poisonous, they have fallen. Now, you see this line, yellow and yellowing. This is repeated here. This figure of speech is called repetition. Repetion. Repetition. Repetition is followed by the poets to emphasize some idea. Here the poet is emphasizing yellow color, means he is emphasizing that the season was autumn. Now, till the goldfinch comes with a twitching chirrup, a suddenness, a startlement of at a branch end. Now this is all silent till the goldfinch comes. Now the goldfinch, this bird comes with a twitching. Twitching means sudden quick movements, and chirrups. Chirrups means making short, high sounds. And she comes and sits at a branch end. Okay, she comes and she sits on a branch end. वो एक end पे आकर बैठ जाती है, and suddenly the tree becomes full of noise. Right, there are quick movements, there are chirping sounds, there is suddenness over there. Suddenness means quickness is there. अचानक सा कुछ unexpected से movement हो जाते हैं. Then there is startlement. Certain surprises are there. Certain movement of the tree is there. So it means that at once the Lebanon top becomes very, very busy. There starts a great movement, excitement around the tree. Then sleek as a lizard, and alert and abrupt, she enters the thickness and a machine starts up of chitterings. Then sleek as a lizard. Sleek as a lizard means now the goldfinch is compared to the lizard. Then as a sleek means smoothly, very, very smoothly, very, very nicely she, like a lizard, very watchful, very alert. She is very alert, इधर उधर देखती है, and very abruptly, एकदम से swiftly, she enters the thickness. She enters the मिडिल पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री. वो उसके मिडिल में जाती है, ट्री के अंदर जाती है, एंड मशीन स्टार्ट्स अप. और एकदम लगता है जैसे ट्री के अंदर कोई मशीन स्टार्ट हो गई है. देयर आर ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ साउंड्स, चर्पिंग साउंड्स, शेकिंग साउंड्स of chitterings and a tremor of wings and trillings. There are chittering sound, there are chattering sounds, there is a tremor of wings, there are flapping of wings की आवाज़ आती है, and there are trillings. Trilling means noises of confusion. The whole tree trembles and trills, and the whole tree shivers. पूरा tree हिलने लगता है, and thrills. Thrills means there is great excitement in the tree. पूरा का पूरा पेड़ जो है वो एकदम से मशीन की तरह से चल पड़ता है. पूरी चिटरिंग की साउंड होती है, विंग्स की आवाज़ आती है, कन्फ्यूजन, एक अलग से कन्फ्यूजन की आवाज़ आने लगती है. इट इज़ द इंजन ऑफ अर फैमिली. नाउ द पोइट सेज, लगता है उसका इंजन है उसकी फैमिली का. परहैप्स शी हैज़ मेड नेस्ट इन दैट laburnum tree, and she has come to feed her young ones. So this engine of a family, her children, the engine of a family, they respond to her call. She calls them, she brings something for them to eat, she responds to them, she goes near them, and after she stokes it full. Now she stokes means she feeds them. Stoke means मतलब खिलाना, उन्हें वो पूरी तरीके से खिला देती है. Then flirts out to a branch end. Then she flies out. She comes out in a short time. Flirts means in a short time she comes out and again sits at the branch end. Okay, branch of the laburnum, showing her barred face identity mask, and where her face remains partly visible. यहाँ से उसका चेहरा थोड़ा सा दिखाई देता है. The barred face. Barred face means the bars, the strips on her face are visible. Identity mask. These bars on her face, they are like her identity. We can easily make out that she has come out by seeing that the bars, when the bars are visible. Okay. Now you see the third line here, beta. Then sleek as a lizard. Here it is simile, because goldfinch is compared here to the lizard. She moves inside the thickness of the tree as lizard moves. And of course lizard is very alert. Lizard को आप देखें, when she walks on the wall, when she moves on the wall, she is very alert. वो इधर उधर देखती रहती है, so she also sees it. Now this line, the whole tree trembles and thrills. This is an example of alliteration. Anupras alankar. Ta sound is repeated here. Now we move down. Then with airy, delicate whistle chirrup whisperings. Then with airy. Airy means very strange. Delicate whistle chirrup whisperings. Then making light, pleasant, soft sound of whistling. धीरे धीरे whistling की sound लेती हुई, chirping करती हुई, she launches away. Launches means she flies out. वो उड़ जाती है towards the infinite, towards the sky, towards the heaven. Okay. Once she rises towards God, once she goes to the infinite, to the sky, laburnum top again resides to empty. वो एकदम empty हो जाता है, वो एकदम silent हो जाता है. दोबारा से laburnum tree जो है वो subsides to silence. Subsides means it again becomes silent. एम्प्टी मीन्स साइलेंट. वो अगेन दोबारा से वहाँ पे साइलेंस हो जाता है, कोई मूवमेंट रहती है. तो जब जब वहाँ पे गोल्डफिंच होती है, देर इज़ अ मूवमेंट, देर इज़ एक्साइटमेंट, देर आर जर्की मूवमेंट्स, देर आर चैटरिंग साउंड्स, ट्रिलिंग साउंड्स. एंड वंस द गोल्डफिंच गोज आफ्टर स्टोकिंग हर यंग वंस, आफ्टर feeding her children, she goes, the laburnum top again becomes very, very silent. So this is the poem. I hope you have understood. Take care.